In this video, I'll fully explain whether NordVPN is worth it for casual internet users, and by the end of this video, you'll have a clear answer. If you want to follow along, you can use the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price while watching. Casual internet users typically browse social media, watch YouTube, stream movies and shows, send emails, shop online, and sometimes connect to public Wi-Fi while traveling. For those kinds of everyday online activities, NordVPN provides a lot of value without needing any complicated setup. NordVPN has over 8,000 servers in more than 100 countries, meaning you can connect to almost any location in seconds. If a website, show, or service is blocked or unavailable in your region, you can simply choose another country from the list and access it safely. If you want the easiest option, just click Quick Connect, and NordVPN will automatically pick the fastest and most reliable server for you. Installing it is extremely simple. Download the NordVPN app on your device, whether it's a laptop, desktop, phone, tablet, or even certain routers. After logging in, you'll see a map and a list of countries. Just choose a location and click Connect. Within a few seconds, your internet becomes encrypted and protected. For users who love streaming, NordVPN is especially good. It uses NordLynx, a high-speed protocol built for smooth browsing and streaming without buffering. Whether you're watching Netflix, Prime Video, YouTube, TikTok, or Disney+, you stay protected without sacrificing speed. Security is another major advantage. Even if you browse casually, your data is always at risk, especially on public Wi-Fi in airports, coffee shops, hotels, campuses, and libraries. NordVPN encrypts everything you do online, so no one on the same network can see your personal information, passwords, or browsing history. NordVPN also includes threat protection, which blocks ads, malware, phishing websites, trackers, and harmful downloads, perfect for users who want extra protection without installing multiple security programs. It also has a kill switch, which instantly cuts off your internet if the VPN disconnects unexpectedly. This prevents your real IP address from leaking and keeps your session fully private. For users who want more control, NordVPN offers optional features like dedicated IP addresses, custom DNS, Onion over VPN, and even router installation. But even if you don't touch any advanced settings, it works perfectly right out of the box. So, is NordVPN worth it for casual internet users? Absolutely. It's fast, secure, extremely easy to use, and works quietly in the background while you browse, stream, shop, or work online. If you want strong protection and great speed on all your devices, use the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price and see the difference for your sea.